Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add items to Wishlist on Temu. Let me go ahead and show you my wish list. So if I come here, hover over my profile icon and click on wish list, you'll see I actually have one item. And I'm going to show you exactly what I did to add it to my wish list. Okay, so first I'll find an item. So I'll go to the home page. So I'll go ahead there and we're going to choose an item first. Okay, we're going to look for an item. All right, so let me scroll down. Let's say I want to add this item right here. This one's almost sold out too. So I'll go ahead and add this to my wish list. So I just clicked on that. So we're waiting for this page to load up. All right, now all you want to do is scroll down. Okay, scroll down. All right, and you'll see here near the product details, there's an option that says save with a heart. Let's go ahead and click on that. Okay, there you go. Saved to wish list. Really that easy and simple. Now, if I come back to my wish list, I'll show you I have 2 items now. There you go. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.